Welcome. If you want to get the Galaxy wallpaper on your OnePlus Nord N10 5G, at the first we have to go for the Play Store, next tap on the search pool and type Shadow Galaxy. We are going to get this application from the maxalus.net. Here we get the full name and icon of this application, so let's install. Right now we can open, click open one more time, and here we get the preview of our wallpaper. We have to wait a little bit. And that's how it looks. And if you want to set it up, you have to click here on the middle button. We can set it up on the home screen, but also we can apply also on the lock screen. So just choose your best. I'll go for the both. And after that, when we go back, after a few moments, you will be able to see this beautiful live wallpaper on our OnePlus Nord N10 5G. And that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!